Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arif Gul, the representative from Al Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and today I am here in Big Istara, where families get together with their kids are gathering like a picnic party which arranged by the Pakistani community. We have a lot of event and programs started with a different game like football, volleyball, tug of war, and badminton between several teams as per group categories. Some groups are winning the football game, some are winning the volleyball, and some winning also the tug of war, as well as discussed briefly regarding future development of Pakistan, which are presented by Mia Hamad Bhai, and it will having almost 15 nakats that for the future benefits of the Pakistani nation for their better life, to minimize the difficulties of the Pakistani poor peoples, and also Pakistan introduced as a good Islamic country all over the world where the peace and good relationships between people to peoples and nation to nations, especially our neighbors, countries, and all inside the countries, control areas for the government of the government departments. During the discussion, we delivers some question and answer on the session.
किया है तूने मताए गुरूर का सौदा किया है तूने मताए गुरूर का सौदा फरेब सूदो ज़ियां ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह ये नगमा फसले गुलो लाला का नहीं पाबंद ये नगमा फसले गुलो लाला का नहीं पाबंद बाहर हो के खिज़ां ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह मुहम्मद रसूलुल्लाह
Kalame Iqbal to be more open by Shoaib Bhai. Alhamdulillah, Summa Alhamdulillah, his voice and the poetry sentences are very, very attractive and meaningful. Finally, I can say to everybody, have a good day and enjoy the picnic party with dua by Mohtaram Kabir Bhat Sahab, and enjoy the food sweet dish, and hopefully this kind of activities will continue with the blessing of Almighty Allah in future, inshallah.